How is everybody today? How are you? This is one of the last old school Pizza Hut restaurants here in Hempstead, Texas. I remember the first time I came to this Pizza Hut in the mid 1980s. The first time traveling with my parents to this city. And it appears that everything on the exterior is original, except for the logos. They have been changed. But other than that, this is one of your last old school remaining Pizza Hut restaurants from that era that are still standing and operating today, which is really unique and fascinating. And we are in Hempstead, Texas. Yeah, everybody, the last time I came to this Pizza Hut was probably in 1984. So structurally, the roof, the exterior has been here. Yeah, I mean, it could have been here since the late 70s. Who knows? But it's always been in Hempstead, Texas. Now for at least 4 decades. Okay, so this is the back of the restaurant. This is a rear view. And again, this restaurant has been original, at least since the early 80s. There's been some slight renovations and modifications as far as the logo goes. And maybe there's a strip of paint around the top corner there you see with the pizza, pasta, wings. But other than that, it's pretty much original for this small town. Okay, this is the side entrance view of the restaurant. Okay, so we're going to go inside. And this is what it looks like, folks. Pretty much original, except for the TVs. Oh, you even still have 2 of the original lampshades there. But yeah, this restaurant has been here since the first time I came here as a very small kid. Same material, same interior layout. Maybe a couple of things have changed.